vision shows us where to go. With vision, you're seeing from within and looking out. So purpose and vision, because we each have a purpose to fulfill.
Welcome to Ungluing the Mind, the stream. On this episode, we invite you to discover powerful life lessons, offer the tools for personal breakthroughs, and the guidance to live a life of inspired action. In this online chapter, you'll be invited to listen in on 30 minutes of inspirational, thought-provoking dialogue, followed by a guided meditation by transformational coach and author of Ungluing the Mind, Veronica LeBerry. If you like what you hear today, please click subscribe and turn on post notifications. And if you love what you hear today, Ungluing the Mind offers private one-on-one coaching and meditation phone sessions. To book your spot, email ungluingthemind@gmail.com. Again, that's ungluingthemind@gmail.com. We thank you for tuning in and your presence. Your journey to your best self starts right now.
Greetings, everyone. Today we're going to be sharing on vision. Vision shows you where to go, while judgment gives you false direction. And because we're in a universe of duality, that duality is built into the mind. The purpose of a spiritual practice is to allow vision to direct you and to show you where to go, because we each have a mighty purpose to fulfill that's far beyond the hurry and frantic rush of time. And this inner vision fills you with unshakable security, one-pointedness, and passion that goes beyond the intellect. It inspires you with the awareness of the essence of life beyond the form. And we know we're in a universe of form, and form is matter. Form is always changing, but you cannot change what is eternal. And to keep your steady gaze on the unchangeable self. And this is why it's important, very important, for us to have a dedicated, committed spiritual practice. Every day, it's your life. This unchangeable self, this self within, releases the wisdom to always act from a state of love and compassion. There's no other way. Love is the way. It's the right way. When you practice, you're remembering what you are. You begin to feel a sense of, through my own experience, you begin to feel a sense of safety. That there's someone else in charge, whatever name we want to give that self. And that self is the driver of your physical vehicle, steering you in the direction that you are to go. Man should not dominate woman, nor should woman dominate man. Each should help to complete the other. This is the spiritual ideal. Krishna comes from the root krish, which means to attract. And Krishna is he who draws love from everyone, who draws us to him in the hearts of others. So when we try to draw love out of others, we get into a sort of a tug of war that may end in pushing them away. All we're doing is trying to meet our own needs. It is in forgetting ourselves, the false self, the personality self that we've made, in forgetting that self, in the need for others, that draws their love to us. And again, man should not dominate woman, nor should woman dominate man. Each should help to complete the other. And this is the spiritual ideal. Try to grab and you will lose. Give and you will hold others' love forever. Love is forever. And what is forever is not of time. So when you have a spiritual practice, you're beginning to feel your freedom in the light. Feeling is the language of the soul. You can tell yourself, I'm living a purposeful life. I am being directed from within. What do most of us do? We're mourning the past and or anticipating some unforeseen future. Yeah. Man is what he believes. You are what the deep faith of your heart is. If you believe that money is going to make you happy, then you will go after money. If you believe that pleasure will make you happy, then you will go after pleasure. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Not as he thinks in his head. There's a vast distance from the head to the heart. In the Greek and Russian Orthodox traditions, they say that whatever spiritual knowledge you have in your head must be brought down into your heart. And it takes many, many years. You want to think like God. Why? Because you are. So what do? We take in poisonous foods with our eyes, ears, and our minds. Yeah, we poison ourselves with our self-made ideas, feeding ourselves a poison. Our self-made thoughts are the poison that we're feeding ourselves. So we're poisoning our internal environment. Your internal environment, it's already clean. It's not packed with rubbish. We deprive ourselves of the nourishment we need to live because we're seeing ourselves less than we truly are. Through your practice, you're accepting the truth of what you are. Accept your daily bread of truth. You're shedding the traces of uncertainty and doubt. Lift and open your mind to receive and remember. And to remember is to restore to your memory what is already there. So the question is, do you want to follow the divine design or your own design? Your divine destiny is already designed out for you. Our part is simply to accept it or reject it. The choice is yours. You cannot live a choiceless life. Your choices are your gifts. Mental states are affected by what we see, hear, and read every day. Stand guard at the door of your mind. Do not take in poisonous foods. There are only two purposes: sin and holiness. And which you choose will determine what you see, ugliness or beauty. Your purpose is to remember what is real. And again, purpose means intention. Intentions means determination to act in a certain way. You act from a consciousness of love. You react from a consciousness of fear. So whom do you want to serve? The mind cannot serve two masters. We have to make a decision. And the decision is a conclusion based on everything you believe. So again, whom do you want to serve? The selfish will or the selfless will? Choose one, and the other will disappear. The mind cannot serve two masters. Love is the master. So what do? Master your life. Be true to you. Know you, your true self. Choose only God's thoughts and God's feelings to take up residence in your world. Ask for grace. It's divine love and protection given to you by God, the source that gave you life. Ask for joy, not for sorrow. Claim your divine inheritance. You know, in the words of Winston Churchill said, you make a living by what you get. You make a life by what you give. Get out of the getting concept. There's nothing to get. Just want to know you, the truth of what you are, why you're here, and what you're here to do. Mental states are affected by what we see, hear, and read every day. Do not take in poisonous foods. Stand guard at the door of your mind. The enemy is easy to overcome if you don't feed it. Let the light in. Let it be what it is. And allow vision to show you where to go. So take a deep breath. Slowly exhale and say to yourself silently and thoughtfully, with fixed determination and eyes closed, I am willing to let go and let the light in. I am willing to let go and let the light in. I am willing to let go and let the light in. Joy is your birthright, and it lasts forever. Your true nature is light. Light is joy, understanding, wisdom, strength, goodness, pristine purity, thoughtfulness, compassion, love, kindness, givingness, sharing, and gentleness. The gentle have no pain. They live in the light. That's your natural state. Your part is to allow your mind to return to its natural state. How is that done? To thine own self, be true. Resentment, hostility, alienation, and selfishness are deficiency diseases, and just about everyone is suffering from them. Resentment is compulsive attachment to a set of memories. If you cannot love, you're not likely to remain in good health. From a healthy mind comes a healthy body. The best health insurance is love. Some degree of faith and trust is essential as you let go to that which has provided you with some limited amount of comfort. So you can find your niche, so to speak, by putting divine principles into application. The application is where the difficulty lies. What the world needs now more than ever are those of us who have awakened to the truth. Breathe the holy breath. Tell yourself silently and thoughtfully, I am the awareness in which my life unfolds. I am the awareness in which my life unfolds. I am the awareness in which my life unfolds. You have a mighty purpose to fulfill. Be willing to let go and trust in the unchangeable, unchanging self that is within you. Tell yourself silently and thoughtfully, with fixed determination and eyes closed, I am willing to let go and let the light in. I am willing to let go and let the light in. I am willing to let go and let the light in. I'm remembering now, I am the light. I'm remembering now, I am the light. I'm remembering now, I am the light. I am safe in the light. I am safe in the light. I am safe in the light. I see only light because I am the light. I see only light because I am the light. I see only light because I am the light. I am strong in light. I am strong in light. I am strong in light. The light is here and the way is clear. The light is here and the way is clear. The light is here and the way is clear. I rest in quiet light. I rest in quiet light. I rest in quiet light. Breathe in light and breathe out light, for there is nothing else. The divine light descends upon us all, and we are purified, grateful, and blessed. For this we give thanks. Rest in quiet light. And so it is.